Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. A little update on my garden plants that I planted, I don't know, a month ago in the soil. Beautiful day today here in northeastern Ohio. It hit 80, I think. It's warm. Windows are open, a bit breezy, but it's nice. So I thought I would bring out the tomatoes and my peppers, get some fresh air, get them some sun, you know, start acclimating to the weather. So let's take you down and take a look at them. So what we have down here, let's take a closer look, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring them up. Bring them on up. See what we have. So these have been under indoor lighting since we planted. Look at these here. These are my pink honeys. Those are going to be nice. These are all ready to be transplanted. Brandywine. More pink honeys. My Praxis. Praxis cherry tomatoes. San Marzanos. These are my dad's cherry tomato. And he just got a little bit flustered there. They are getting to the point where we need to get them in some better containers. Another dad's cherry. And the Eva purple ball back there. So everything is coming along really nice. We just need to space everything out, and I'm just going to take them out of the container here. We do not need to have them in the nursery container. Nope. Look how short the Praxis is. They are actually short in nature. They only grow about 3 foot high, but they have some of the most stockiest stems I've ever seen. They are just thick stemmed plants. Hopefully the wind is not too bad on the video. I do have the mic muff on, so should be good. But we're going to put all these back in here. It's almost too windy to put these out. I'm just going to take them inside here. Get them back in upstairs in the office. But those are coming along real nice. Look at these brandywines. These things are just going to town. Awesome. Alright, let's go check out the tomatoes. Or let's check out the peppers. Peppers didn't do as good as I had hoped. I think next year for my peppers, I'm going to direct sow them in soil. It just seems like transplanting is such a chore anymore. So I had to go back and look on my video because I never did label these. But first 2 rows here were the jalapenos. Remember how good they were in the seeds that popped? I have 3 left. All the rest died off. This row here was the Tunisians. Remember that whole row? Look at all these. They just died off. And no reason for them. No reason at all. Everything was treated the same. One saved. And all these other ones are the lipstick pepper. Lipstick pepper. So we're going to have some lipstick peppers. A couple jalapenos. And a Tunisian. And that's going to be my my garden for this year. So got all my nursery pots down there. I just need to get some more soil. Might make a trip over to Walmart, get like 2 bags of soil, start transplanting some of these. I'm sure not going to need that many plants. Some are going to go to my dad, Some are going to go into pots for the front yard. These are going to most likely be the peppers, because I'll put these out front. Tomatoes will go in the garden. I might do a couple tomato plants on the side by the RV. Tomatoes have always done good on that side of the house for whatever reason. They just always go to town over there. And there isn't a bunch of sun. The sun is only there for about 2 hours. Just in midday. But for whatever reason on the side of that house over there, tomatoes have done good. So that's where we're at. I need to come out and work in my front beds. I need to rake all that junk out of there and spray. And my mom's going to bring over the canna bulbs, and we'll plant the cannas. That could be just about any time. One flower. It's kind of funny. It's a beautiful tulip. Beautiful tulip. But there's never been any tulips there, so you know a bird ate a seed. And that was a freebie. But beautiful. Alright. Just a quick little update from the I Am Gardening channel. Hope everybody out there is having a great spring coming into summer here. We're definitely ready here for some warmer weather. On that note, everybody have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.